The Moped Style 1500W/2000W electric bike is an innovative and versatile option for adults looking to elevate their commuting experience. With sleek aesthetics reminiscent of classic mopeds, this electric bike stands out in both functionality and design. Offering speeds of up to 33 miles per hour and a remarkable range of 34 to 180 miles depending on the power assist mode, it caters to a wide range of riding preferences and needs. One of the first things to note about this e-bike is its powerful motor options. With choices between 1500W and 2000W, the bike provides ample torque for steep inclines and quick acceleration. Riders can easily navigate urban environments or hilly terrains without feeling limited by the bike's capabilities. The top speed of 33 miles per hour is exhilarating, making it suitable for those who enjoy a little thrill in their daily commute. Despite its speed, the bike maintains stability and control, ensuring a safe ride even at higher velocities. On the topic of range, the Moped Style Ebike truly impresses with its options for battery capacity. The 48V15, 6Ah and 18. 2Ah batteries offer users flexibility depending on their daily travel requirements. The lower capacity is great for shorter commutes, while the larger 874Wh option caters to long-distance riders seeking minimal charging downtime. With a range extending to 180 miles in pedal assist mode, it's an ideal choice for weekend adventures, allowing users to explore with confidence. The bike's battery management system is also well designed. It provides real-time information about battery status, helping riders plan their trips accordingly. From a design perspective, the Moped Style electric bike is visually appealing. Its moped-inspired design is a combination of vintage charm and modern functionality, ensuring that it looks good parked outside a cafe or cruising down the street. The frame is robust yet lightweight, making it easy to handle and maneuver. The seating position is comfortable, with a well-cushioned seat that offers good support for longer rides. The handlebars are ergonomically designed, ensuring a natural grip that minimizes fatigue. Equipped with front and rear disc brakes, the bike offers reliable stopping power, which is crucial when riding at high speeds. The braking system is responsive, providing a sense of security while navigating traffic or sudden stops. The bike is also fitted with bright LED lights to enhance visibility during nighttime rides, complemented by reflectors positioned strategically to increase safety. Another standout feature is the bike's smart LCD display, which provides essential information such as speed, distance traveled, battery level, and assistance mode. This user-friendly display is easy to read, even in bright sunlight, enabling riders to access crucial data without distractions. The bike also supports various riding modes, allowing users to switch between full electric, pedal assist, and traditional biking. This versatility is a major plus, catering to different riding styles and personal preferences. The assembly process is straightforward, with most components pre-installed. However, some basic mechanical skills are required for final adjustments, especially for the handlebars and front wheel. For those unfamiliar with bike assembly, professional help might be necessary, but it's not overly complicated. One potential drawback of the Moped Style electric bike is its weight. With a robust build, it weighs more than traditional bicycles, which may be a consideration for riders who need to lift or transport the bike frequently. However, the weight also contributes to the bike's stability, making it less prone to wobbling at high speeds. Pricing is another aspect that warrants consideration. While this electric bike is competitively priced for its features and performance, it may still be on the higher end for casual riders or those new to electric bikes. The investment is justifiable for those who plan to use it regularly and seek a reliable, powerful, and stylish mode of transportation. In conclusion, the Moped Style 1500W/2000W electric bike is an outstanding option for adults seeking a blend of performance, comfort, and style. With its powerful motor, impressive range, and functional design, it is well suited for both daily calm